4K at 30 FPS, infrared night vision, 24 hours parking monitoring, 3 cameras, and a great price at the moment. Is this too good to be true? Well, let's check. Thiago here, welcome to another review. If you're new here, first, thanks for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. With this said, let's start the review with the price, the best part. The price tag for the UK is £229.99 at the moment of this recording. Great price. For the US, the price tag is $259.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Vantrue has been around since 2015, and throughout the years they have improved their dashcams, with the N4 dashcam being rated the best dashcam in 2022. So let's see what you get in the box. The unboxing is very pleasant with a nice box with the dashcam in big. First, you have all the manuals and stickers. Next is the main unit. It has a 2.45 inches IPS display and all the dashcam components. Next is the rear camera and a long cable around 6 meters. Power cable that is also a double charger. And the last one is the dashcam suction cup mount. Next, we are going to see the specs. The sensor is the Sony StarViz sensor. It has a 2.45 inches IPS display. It has a built-in microphone and speaker. USB-C port. The video format is MP4, so you can play the video records on PC, TV, or even in a dashcam. It has 3 cameras, with the front one recording at 1440p, 1080p, and 1080p at 30 FPS, when all the cameras are recording at the same time. More on the cameras later. It supports SD card up to 256GB, and it comes with a suction cup mount. So, let's see how to install it. The installation is so easy, you can mount the dashcam anywhere. The suction mount makes it so easy. After you've chosen the front unit place, it's time to mount the rear camera. The cable is long enough for any car and also have the right thickness, making easy to hide. After that, you can make small adjustments in the cameras and you are ready to start recording. The footage coming out of the back camera is so nice, with a field of view of 160 degrees, so it'll be wide enough. Next, the display is a 2.45 inches IPS and is bright enough. You'll be able to see all the cameras when recording. It's a very stable dashcam with all the features that we need. The menus are very easy to use with the buttons on top of the dashcam. You can choose between 4 modes of recording: front, cabin and rear, front and cabin, front and rear, and just front, where you will get 4K at 30 FPS. Next, we have more footage. And let me tell you something, all the recordings will be separated, so if you choose to have all the 3 cameras recording at the same time, you will end up with 3 video files, one for each camera. As you can see now, and you have been seeing throughout the video, the image quality is amazing. And the best part is that you don't need a program to separate the files, the camera does it for you. With this said, the Vantrue N4 with the 3 cameras recording will give you a 360 degrees field of view. This dash camera I'm sure is one of the favorites for taxi drivers, for example. I have talked about the image quality throughout the review, but I think that we need to talk a bit more. This dashcam is the best dashcam of 2022, and now I know why. The footage coming out of this dashcam is crisp and clear. It's full of detail, and in my opinion, is one of the best that I have tested so far. Next, we are going to check the night image quality. So, what you guys think about the image quality during the night? I still think that is quite good. You are able to see all the details and even the number plates. The footage during the night will never be like the footage during the day. So, drawbacks. Not that many. But there is no perfect camera. In my opinion, the drawbacks are only to do with what is in the box. So, no SD card provided. Comes with suction cup mount. And that's a problem in the winter in UK. Doesn't come with hardwire. And doesn't have GPS included. So we have seen the drawbacks. Let's see the pros now. 4K front captures in 2 channel modes. 1080p, interior and rear. Versatile configuration. Easy to use. And the price. Final opinion. As long as you understand that N4 is 4040p when using all the 3 cameras, it is a good deal. Okay, it will be better with GPS, it's true, but the footage is one of the best I have seen until today. Vantrue N4 is the most affordable 3-channel dashcam that I know of. A great camera system for a great price. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam. I hope you guys found any value on this review, and if you did, please consider subscribing and sharing this video around with your friends. One more thing, which dashcam do you guys have? Let me know in the comments. Thiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one.